talking about the weather that we experience here in Colorado, even in a few short days, or hell, even a single day, it can, the temperature of this roof can see 100-degree variance, and potentially in the same day see rain, sleet, hail, and snow all in the same day. But then, you know, you take that and you compound it over 15, 20 years, this roof is taking one hell of a beating, and there's a lot of expansion and contraction, direct sunlight coming down, and the UV radiation is just pounding the gaskets and the rubber boots, and it's just old and it needs a little loving. We're not going to do anything crazy to it, but the first step's going to be, we're going to come out here, we're going to power wash everything so that we have a clean substrate to apply the coating onto, and then we're going to go to each one of these fastening heads, replace them if need be, tighten them for sure, and then we'll go through and we'll treat each and every fastener individually. We'll treat all of the edge work and all of the seams with a 3-course material, which will essentially be Protex Super Putty with a mesh material rolled on top of that and then sealed with the coating. And then we'll do all of the penetrations with that same type of 3-course material. And then once all the detail work, you know, and the devil's in the preparation, because that's what takes the longest, then it'll be ready for a coating, and we'll come in here and we'll give them the correct dry film thickness for a 10-year warranty.